Muito obrigada, Prime Minister Magno. Bom dia, estou muito feliz por estar aqui em Dili novamente. Como eu disse,
Ministra Negócio Estrangeiro Austrália, Penny Wong declara Austrália é o commitmento no seu apoio Timor-Leste, onde alcança nenhum objetivo sai nação forte no Prosperiu Liutan.
and their energy, determination and optimism embody the future of this nation. And it's a future we share, Australia and Timor-Leste. We share it as neighbours and we share it as friends. Australia sees Timor-Leste as a good friend, and ours is a friendship of mutual respect. And that was the message I expressed in my meetings here in Dili. And it was a great honour to meet with the President, José Haforte, the Prime Minister, the Finance Minister, and of course my friend and counterpart, Minister Magno. We share an ambition, and that is to make Timor-Leste stronger, more prosperous and more resilient. I can announce, as I think my friend Magno...
Ministra Nemos informa, governo Austrália se aumenta tang orçamento adicional 20 milhões para pacote COVID-19.
I can announce, as I think my friend Minister Magno might have referenced, Australia will be providing an additional $20 million from our COVID response package to Timor-Leste, funds to be provided as budget support to co-finance programs managed and delivered by the government of Timor-Leste. The funds will be used to support payments for children and pregnant mothers, the Bossa de Mai Geração Fome program and the Timor-Leste's Village Development Program known as the PNDS. And the final area we are also supporting with the additional funding is skills training linked to our labour mobility scheme. Skills is something that is just so important to your country. It's been raised with me by the President, by Minister Magno, by all the ministers I've met, because of its importance to the next generation of Timorese. And we see investment in your people as one of the many areas Australia can, with you, meet your goals.
Ihafating Hanesang, Ministra Negócio Estrangeiro no Cooperação Adal Ziza Magno, considera a Austrália no dar parceiro desenvolvimento nebe importante para desenvolvimento Timor-Leste.
Ida ne passo ida importante também a Austrália, país ida nebe que ita partilha história barak, no nosso país nebe mais ita partilha a fronteira, a fronteira marítima, no nosso Austrália nessa parceiro de desenvolvimento ida nebe mais importante que temos para Timor-Leste. Liliu desde a restauração da independência até o Loro.
Durante minha visita, Ministra Penny Wong e Hania Hassorumalo, o Presidente da República José Ramos Horta, no Primeiro-Ministro Taur Matangrua, além de coalia com a metem relação bilateral entre Timor-Leste e Austrália. Coaliamos o insana sangrua se serviço mútuo, onde há crescimento economia, não mos metem desenvolvimento economia e a Timor-Leste. Assunto selo que nebe coaliamos com a desenvolvimento Greater Sunrise, segurança marítima, mobilidade trabalhador ba Timor-Ansira, no apoio Austrália ba adesão Timor-Leste ba ASEAN no WTO. Franjo Soares, Constantino Babo, VIP TV.